Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Costus arabicus Variegata, a captivating and unique variegated plant variety that adds a touch of exotic beauty to your indoor or outdoor garden. But before we embark on this green adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Costus arabicus Variegata is a captivating and visually striking cultivar of the Costus arabicus species known for its unique foliage and tropical appearance. While Costus species are found in various tropical regions, this particular cultivar is cultivated for its ornamental qualities. What makes Costus arabicus Variegata special is the foliage. That plant produces large, land-shaped leaves that are adorned with variegated patterns, typically featuring a blend of creamy white, green, and sometimes pinkish hues. The variegation adds a touch of elegance and tropical charm to indoor gardens. Additionally, it can grow tall, producing impressive stems with cone-like inflorescences, topped with red bracts and small, inconspicuous yellow flowers. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, making it suitable for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight or outdoor areas with partial sun. It prefers well-draining potting mix and should be watered moderately, allowing the soil to partially dry between waterings. When companion planting with Costus arabicus Variegata, consider other tropical houseplants like Caletheia varieties, philodendrons, or Maranta species, and then share similar humidity and light preferences, resulting in a lush and visually appealing indoor garden with a tropical vibe. Its striking variegation and unique appearance make it an excellent choice for plant enthusiasts and collectors. This plant adds a touch of exotic elegance to your living space, garden, or decorative arrangements, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of plants. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your plant collection flourish. Farewell and happy gardening.